Uuwi na kami sa aming condo. Number 27 yan. Oh, diba? Number 27 sa aming condo. Magandang gabi. Bayan. Ay.
Yung lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brains. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind.
It's a beautiful life, oh oh. It's a beautiful life, oh oh. It's a beautiful life.
Napaka-fresh ng mga flower. Yes! Fresh. Orchids. Persian. Ito guys, yung Shangri-La, yung lunch niya, ano? Lobby. Dito tayo. Guys, makikita nyo dito yung mga pamaypay. Ayan o. Yung pamaypay. Mga pamaypay. Maraming tao. Gusto ko mo. Sunday ba today? It's dinner time for Chowking. Thank you so much. Wow! Chowking, dinner na tayo guys.
Gumaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang bigati, masilayan lang ang iyong ngiti. Okay, gandang isipin ang isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig. Gumaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang
Ay, andito na
bigati,
lang tayo sa ating bahay.
masilayan lang ang
Thank you,
iyong
Lord.
ngiti.
Parating na.
Okay, gandang isipin ang isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig.
Sounds like
When the clock feels down, my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. Into a crisis times when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I am feeling a little peculiar. Into a wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I feel the top of my lungs. What's going on?
1, 2, 3, 4! Buksan mo, papasukin ako.
Papasukin ako.
Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasukin mo na.
Papasukin ako.
May tsokolating dala. Bigyan mo naman ng pag-asa ang puso ko, sinta.
Okay, let's go.